In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multi-page personal portfolio website with WordPress and Elementor. We'll go from the very beginning all the way to launching a clean professional portfolio site that includes multiple pages and a polished user experience. The first thing you need is a domain name and web hosting. Your domain is your website address, and your hosting is where your website files live. Once you have both in place, you're ready to set up the site itself. Next, install WordPress through your hosting dashboard. Most hosting providers make this very simple with a one-click installer. After WordPress is installed, log into your dashboard so you can begin customizing the website. From there, go to Appearance and then Themes. This is where you control the overall foundation of your site. Search for the official Hello Elementor theme and activate it. This theme is lightweight and built specifically to work smoothly with Elementor, which makes it a great choice for a portfolio website where design flexibility matters. After the theme is active, head over to Plugins, then Add New. Search for Elementor, install it, and activate it. Elementor is the page builder we'll use to design the site visually without needing to write code. While you're in the plugins area, it's also a good idea to deactivate and delete any pre-installed placeholder plugins you don't plan to use. This keeps your site cleaner and can help performance. Now it's time to decide on your layout strategy. You can either use a template kit to speed things up or build everything from scratch for full creative control. A template kit is helpful if you want a faster starting point, while a custom build is perfect if you want your portfolio to feel completely unique. Once you've chosen your direction, build your global header and footer. These are the sections that appear across your entire website, like your logo, navigation menu, and footer content. Setting these up early creates consistency and saves time later. After that, create your core pages, your home page, about me page, portfolio or work page, and contact page. Each page should have a clear purpose. The home page introduces who you are, the about page shares your background, the portfolio page showcases your work, and the contact page gives visitors an easy way to reach you. When your pages are ready, link them together using the WordPress navigation menu. This makes the site easy to browse and helps visitors quickly find what they need. Finally, optimize everything for mobile and get ready to launch. Check spacing, text size, image alignment, and button placement on smaller screens. Before going live, click through every page to make sure everything works properly. Once that's done, your multi-page personal portfolio website is ready to share with the world.